Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashvika. Welcome to Globo Arte Magazine page channel where we make content for artists and encouraging entrepreneur. In today's video guys, I'm going to be talking about my Redbubble experience because I tried to open up a new shop after my Redbubble account suspension. So I'm going to be talking about is it still active or what are the things that is working and all those things regarding my new Redbubble shop. And I'm going to be talking about that thing in this video. So let's get started with that. Before we go to part, consider clicking the like button guys, really appreciate that. If you want more such videos, consider subscribing, hit the bell icon because we upload daily videos and when we do so, you'll be getting notified about it. Also, we have the bunch of the free resources. The link in the description box below. Simply head over to globocreative.com, check out all the freebies that we have. Make sure to check it out each month because we will be adding each month as well. And it contains a full commercial license so you can very well use it. Now, a few days back, I tried to open a new Redbubble shop. I have made a video talking about opening up a new Redbubble shop. That was I actually made in the form of a tutorial to how to open up a Redbubble shop and how to add the various shop details and your first design and all. So I'm going to leave that video in the card section above. You can check it out. In that video, it was kind of like a tutorial, but I was trying to open up a new shop onto the Redbubble and actually seeing that whether my new Redbubble account is suspended as well because of that old one. I opened up that new shop back in 3 to 4 days back. And I just uploaded a single design while I was recording that video, while I was recording that tutorial and uploading onto the YouTube. So at that time, I just uploaded the one design and still I didn't upload any design on that new shop. Just the one design only is there. Make sure you check it out that video if you want to know more about it, that what uploaded and all that. So I just uploaded the single design of that new shop and it's still active. It's not banned. It's not suspended. I didn't get such an email from the Redbubble that this new shop has been banned or suspended. So I see that it's possible to open up a new shop once your first Redbubble shop has been suspended. Now, it's possible, but from my own experience, what I can say that my first Redbubble account has been suspended back in the November. And at that time, I was having 2 Redbubble shops. So one Redbubble shop has been suspended and due to that, the second shop suspended as well because I was opening up both the shop in my laptop in the same browser, having the same cookie history, having everything same IP address and all those things. So my second shop suspended as well. And when I tried to look into the Redbubble, they help in search engine and the different blog articles to actually came to a conclusion why my Redbubble second account has been suspended. And they say that if they see that one Redbubble account has been suspended, then they have kind of like a system on their website where one Redbubble account has been suspended and all the accounts that have been linked to that shop will also going to be suspended as well. It's a system, kind of like an AI, artificial intelligence kind of system they have on their website, which have put in the place to prevent the frauds and all those kind of things. So that's why my second Redbubble shop is suspended because it was linked to the first one because I was opening up both the shop in the same browser, in the same laptop, everything was same except the shop name and the designs. That's all was different. Rest, everything was same. And after that, after the Redbubble account suspension, after just 1 month, I think in December or January, I tried to open another shop. I tried to open up a new shop onto the Redbubble from the same laptop, from the same browser, from the same IP address. And that Redbubble account has been suspended as well. So at that time, I came to a conclusion that once your first Redbubble account has been suspended, it's not possible to open up a second Redbubble or a new shop onto the Redbubble again. I came to that conclusion because I tried to open up another new Redbubble shop after that first gets suspended. I think I tried to do that in first and second month after that Redbubble account suspension. And when that new shop suspended, I just left the Redbubble like that. I never tried to open up a new shop and all that. Now in the July, I tried to open up a new Redbubble shop. So it was like December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July. So it was like 8 months. I tried to open up a new shop again onto the Redbubble. Now this time I was having the same browser, I was having the same laptop, same IP address, but I used the incognito window. That is kind of like a private window everyone have in their browser. Like you just need to go into your Google Chrome browser. I use the Google Chrome browser, whatever browser you use. If you use Internet Explorer, Opera Mini, or some other Mozilla Firefox or some other browser, whatever you use, you have that incognito window facility, which is kind of like a private window in which you can open up any shop or do whatever you want to do the searches and all. So I tried to open the second shop 3 to 4 days back only in the incognito window. I have made that complete video, complete tutorial, kind of like video where I showed what I was doing and everything. So you can check it out, guys. If your first Redbubble account has been suspended and you are looking to opening up a new Redbubble shop, that video would be useful to you, because so far this new Redbubble account haven't been suspended. It's 3 to 4 days. I just uploaded a one design and that's all. I didn't upload any more design. I just left this account as it is. And yesterday, in fact today, I just checked in again to see whether it's working or not, and I see that this new Redbubble shop is active, it's working, and I can upload more designs and I can do all those things. So what I came to a conclusion, now this was just the general story of what actually happened in last few months. Now what I came to a conclusion, like if your one Redbubble account has been suspended and immediately in a 1 month or in a few weeks or maybe in a 2 month you try to open up a new Redbubble shop via that same browser, same IP address, everything is same, you try to open up a new one, then maybe your second account would get suspended. But if you try to open up a new shop maybe 4 months or maybe 5 months down the road, like after 4 months, 5 months or 6 months, because I tried to do it after 8 months, then hopefully your new shop won't be suspended. I feel like it's according to their system. Like they have kind of like a system on their website where their one Redbubble shop is suspended, they'll suspend all of them. So maybe that kind of system would work for 6 months only. Like they only see that this Redbubble has been account has been suspended and it's 6 months only. Like after the 6 months, that system maybe won't work. That could be the possibility, but I'm not sure about it. How it works, what are the things, I really don't know about it. And also I'm not from a coding expert. I'm not the how this system work and all. I just read it and do the research. I can see that after 6 months, that system isn't working anymore. Like that system isn't working anymore to suspend my new Redbubble shop if I'm trying to opening up. So that's my conclusion. I could say if your one Redbubble account has been suspended and if you're trying to open up a new Redbubble account, maybe in the same month, maybe in just a few weeks or in the same day, then your new Redbubble account has more likely chances to get suspended, rather than if you're starting with a new shop after the 6 months or after the 7 months later on down the road, then it would be less likely to get suspended. Because I feel like that system may be working for 6 months schedule or maybe for a few months, like 3 to 4 months only. So if you want to open up a new shop and your previous Redbubble account has been suspended, give it some time, guys. Maybe a 2 months, maybe a 3 months, maybe a 4 months, give it some time and then open up a new Redbubble shop. If you are using a laptop or a computer, try to open up in an incognito window because it's a private window. So try to open in the incognito window. That's what I do in that tutorial, in that video, and I tried to open it and I just uploaded a single design and I left that shop as it is. So try to open up that new shop in incognito window and just upload a one design at that current moment. Because if you're uploading 10 designs or 20 designs on the same day of opening of that Redbubble account, then you might get caught into that system of Redbubble and you might lead to Redbubble account suspension. Because they have the system on their website, kind of like a robotic system you can call it, because it's basically an AI. So that would be having the filters, whether they see that if your shop is get caught in that filter, then your suspension definitely will going to happen. Okay, so you need to surpass that system, you need to surpass that filter, and how you're gonna do it, just open up a new Redbubble account after 3 to 4 months or after 6 months later on down the road, once your Redbubble account suspension has been happened, and try to open up in an incognito window, and while opening up, just upload a single design on the day one of opening that Redbubble account suspension and give at least 3 to 4 days, and then try to start uploading new designs and more products and so on and so forth, so that your new shop won't get caught up into. So that's what my conclusion with my Redbubble account suspension and with opening up the new shop. Hopefully this video is useful to you and helpful to you. Do let me know in the comment section below, what are your views? Have you ever tried to open up your new Redbubble shop once your first Redbubble account has been suspended? What was your experience with that, whether it's positive, whether it's negative. Do let me know in the comment section below. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video, guys. See you for the next time. Take care. Bye, guys.